Good morning. All right, I'm Tim. This is Tim Trades NASDAQ Futures Live. We're using Apex Trader funding accounts. Scalping the market 13 points, 35 points stop loss. Typically take a trade right at market open or right before market open. It is 6:20 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Look alive. Look alive. Look alive. All right. All right. I'm using the El Gato, Tomo Origato, Mr. Robotmo. Thank you very much, Mr. Robotmo. Como. Stream Deck, Elgato's Stream Deck. I use Elgato's Stream Deck, and it makes my life a little easier. This is what my Stream Deck looks like. The buy button, sell button, and then sell all. Don't really use this open ATM strategy. That's like if I want to switch the ATM strategy, it opens up the preferences. Trailing stop, that doesn't really work. I don't know how to get that to work. I can start my live stream in my live stream. And they have the time right there, so I can see what time it is. That's my Elgato Stream Deck. I need to blow my nose. Excuse me while I blow my nose, okay? I'll mute the microphone. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know. Use code TIM at apextraderfunding.com to get 80% off right now and or the best discounts humanly possible. Whenever in doubt, use code TIM, all capital TIM. Okay, we'll be looking for a trade in roughly 6 minutes. Looking to trade in roughly 6 minutes. The market volatility is lower than normal. Lower than normal. We're sitting at 18.82 for the volatility index, VXN. That's the equivalence to the VIX for the S&P. This is the VXN volatility. Whew. NASDAQ 100 volatility index. Don't know exactly how that's calculated. Doing 1 point. ATM's strategy is set for take profit at 13, stop loss at 35. Do the delta price setting. 1 contract. Gonna trade a couple of these live accounts. They're not linked specifically together, so I'm going to trade one of them off camera and trade one of them on camera. But you'll see movement over here. This is funded account, my PA account. PA Apex account. About 3 minutes before I start looking for a trade. Markets not really moving great. Pre-market move is not looking too good. 2 minutes of trade. 2 minutes. After we do that opening trade, then I'll go to the 1 minute time frame and we'll look for a pullback. Look for a pullback and or a bull flag, bull. Look for some flag patterns. We trade the flag patterns, the bull flags and bear flags, bullfrogs and butterflies. Okay, market's starting to move a little bit more. That picking up. We got about 1 minute before we're looking for a trade. Look alive. There we go. There's my 1 minute alarm to make sure I'm paying attention. Pay attention. This indicator is going to print a green line and a red line on the left Tradingview screen. I'll try to call out the lines as they appear, but sometimes it moves pretty quick. There's also a 4-second delay. Trade at your own risk. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Use code TIM at apextraderfunding.com. Okay, and we are clear to look for a trade. And looking for a trade, it's going to potentially print those lines any second now. Any second now. Okay, we're looking for the trade. No lines appearing yet. We do have high and low points, but not what we're looking for. We're looking for green lines and red lines, and then like a little arrow, a blue arrow or a red arrow will print on the chart, signifying if we should get into the trade or not. Okay, there's a red line. If it closes below 23,539, we're going short. If it closes below that point, market is looking weak, and the market is open right now. Looks like we might be going long, and we're long.
Order filled.
We are long, looking for a long.
Order filled.
And we got it. And we got it. So that was a quick little $260 winner. Looks like I wasn't able to execute in my other account. Interesting. Right there. That's a pretty smooth trade. Very little, if any, drawdown. How I like it. That's how I like it. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to switch. We'll do a market analyze later. Switch to the 1 minute time frame here. And we'll look for the bear flag, bull flags. Look like we have something possibly forming right here. Roughly something like that. We need to pull back. Need it to pull back. And let's do, I only need 10 points. Contracts, 10 points. Pass this evaluation. So we'll take the first flag formation. Take the first flag. So we got our swing high here. Looking for the swing low to print, and then count 2 bars after that, ideally, if the market's playing fair. And hopefully we'll scalp 10 points to pass this evaluation. Then we'll have 3 funded accounts. Okay, that could be the swing low right there. Oh, nope. Not the swing low, because it's still pumping lower. Still pumping lower. Market is officially short on the day. Does it show? I guess this might be the 24-hour from yesterday's close. Green from yesterday's close, but officially short on the day. Now we're break even on the day. Market opens right here. Okay, that could be the swing low. It's a pretty aggressive, nice long tail here, showing that it rejected that pump down pretty good. Ideally, we have two bars that would print green. Ideally green. And then we would take the trade. So it's moving back up aggressively again. So this might be a quick pump up. Quick little reversal. It's like PW is already in the trade. So what I'll do is once it breaks that high there, then I'll get in. Okay, there's a new bar. Once it breaks that bar, I'll get in. Okay.
Order filled.
Looking for 10 points. Hope we don't pull back. Push up. Push. Push. Should have had a little more patience. Push, push, push. Get it. Get it. Oh my gosh. Was it a tick?
Order filled.
God, that was torture. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, did it. Passed that evaluation. I now have 3 funded accounts. Thank you very much. Okay, that's how it's done. Okay, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Doing it right. Look at that beautiful read. Beautiful read. Market. I'm glad I got in early. Okay, it's perfect. Perfect read. Good. Why did I get in early? Because this massive tail here showing that the market was more aggressive and not going to wait those 2 bars I like. Because if it would have waited the 2 bars I like, it would be right here. Still would be in the money. Still probably would have been a winner. Looks like it's still, yeah, look at that. It still would have been a winner. Let's see if I got, if I got in right here where actually I got out. If I got in where I got out. Nope, still wouldn't be. It would be torture. That'd be a pullback. It just wouldn't have been as smooth of a trade. Not as smooth of a trade, okay? Not as smooth. We want a smooth trade. We want the trades to be really smooth, okay? Sorry. So, anyways, I got in where I got in. I didn't get in where I didn't get in. And I passed the evaluation. Okay? Now I just have to juggle these 3 accounts and actually make some money. Oh, come on. Who turned my lights off? You turned my light off? Who turned my light off? I need to stop daydreaming. I go into these little sparks where I just stop talking. Really good build quality, metal, nice, like light, good bright, and it has color temperature and everything. Love everything about it, but the battery sucks. And it doesn't charge and work at the same time. You cannot charge it and have it on at the same time. Unless maybe I'm not feeding enough power to it. Unless I need to be like doing a quick charge. Man, that could be the case. Could be. That could be the problem. Could be the problem. Well, I'll say it's the problem, but it could be the problem. Okay. Okay, that's it. I mean, 6:40 a.m. and you're done. You had a $2,000. I had a $1,900 trade to pass the evaluation. And then I had a $250 real money trade. That's a good day. That's another good day. We're having some good days here. We're doing pretty good. Okay? Doing good. We did good. We did really good. Okay? Did really good. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. $3,000. $3,000. How long have I had this account? Since the 29th. July 29th. Is that last week? One week. Alright, took me just over a week to pass this evaluation. Okay? I tried to play it safe. I had a couple losers to start off. And then I tried to just play it safe and do my money trade. And I got impatient. I'm like, I need to pass this evaluation. So then I started taking heavier leverages. 10 contracts. And this is another 10 contracts. So it really just took me about 2 days to pass this evaluation. And then kind of dilly-dallying the week before that. 92, wait, what's the win rate? 72% win rate. 72. That's about right. Seems about right. Seems about right. Okay, this count we are up $4,600. Trading at an 88% win rate. One, two, three, four. 4 losing trades in 2 months. Not bad. Not too shabby. Just take one trade a day. Looking for that opening scalper move. I used to scalp just 3 points. And I back tested and found 13 points and 35 point stop loss. Had a better success rate. I'm like, well, that's also more money. A better win rate with more money and less drawdown? I'll take it. I'll take that. I'll take that any day. You've been right there. Today's Friday. That's a good way to end a Friday, is in the green. In the green. I just take one trade yesterday on this account. I wasn't able to juggle this account today, I guess. It's a bummer. Bummer, dude. All right, what are we doing here? Look alive. Yeah, I go into these dazes. It's like I forget I'm live streaming. Get that light back on. I think I need the light blinding in my face. It needs to be blinding. It needs to be just blinding. All right, so that's that. Let's exit all and quit so I don't blow those accounts. Go back here. Wow. Wow. Okay, this is kind of messy right here. Some messy price action. I don't like this kind of movement right here. That's, ugh. I mean, it doesn't even print a swing high, swing low. So that first trade we took was really the only valid trade from the flags that I play. Some people might, read this. You have a pullback here, right? And you say, okay, I have to break here. You're gonna have this uptrending. Right, it's like, it's respecting this, So you're like, okay, well, swing low here, swing low high here in the same bar. So we're going to play the break of that bar. Well, that's true. It did work out. But you're going to have to stomach. You put the stop loss there, and you scalp your 10 points here, or 15. And boom, you just passed another evaluation. 50K account, 10 contracts, 15 points. You got to do 15.25 or 15 points plus one tick. So you cover the commissions and fees and you'll pass the evaluation if you get that trade. But if it draws down anywhere near your 15-point stop loss, you blew the account. You're going to have to reset it or you're going to have to buy another account. Okay, there's another flag. Some other people would say, okay, here's that same bar formation. We'll play the break of that bar because we have the swing high, swing low, and then you get in at the break of the bar. And same thing over again, another past evaluation. Or if you're just doing one contract, roughly $250, so that's another $500. You put all three together, that's $1,500. If you get in at the right spot on all three of those trades, it's $1,500 in the day with one contract. Pretty good. One account, one contract, $1,500. Not. Oh, sorry, not $1,500. $700 to $800. If you were doing 2 contracts, it'd be $1,500. Now we got a true pullback here. We got a swing high. So we have to adjust these lines. This line is breaking, so we're either going to topple over and go back down. Didn't I get in earlier? I got in earlier. Oh yeah, I got in here. I played the quick move because of the long tail here. Showed me there's a lot of resistance, so it's probably going to snap up quickly, which it did. It just went straight up. I mean, one of these days I'll just hold the position and look at this. If we would have got in right here and just hold it. 70 points. 70 points. 70 points. Every 10 points is $100. $200. So 200 times 7, $1,400. So that would be $1,400 times one account, times 10 accounts. 1,400 times 10 would be 1,400 times 2 would be roughly 2,800. Not too shabby with one contract. Hooah. Sorry for the yawn. All right. So what do we got here for me? Come on, class. Class, what do we see? We see a swing high. We have the swing low. Count 2 bars. 1, 2. And you got your line. Okay. Why am I doing that? Not playing the down play? Because we still got a lot of momentum going upward. This could just be a new pullback here, which it is. It's new first swing low past that first signal. So this is probably just probably not gonna set a precedent of being a new low. Do something like that. Give a little wiggle room. It's respecting this line nicely. So it should break the line nicely. Okay, we just broke it. So you could be in the trade long, or you could wait until it breaks the high of this bar, which it just broke right there. Just broke that line too. So you can get in this trade. I'm not, because I've already made my money today. You get in right there. You look for those. Traditionally, I say just start off with just getting 10 points, okay? If you can stomach one contract, you can stomach a 20-point stop loss, so you can hold it down. Hold the 4 down right there, okay? And then you just look for the win. Look for the win. Like, comment, subscribe, use code TIM at ApexTraderFunding.com for the biggest and deepest discount possible. Market is pulling back. Don't like that. I don't like the pullbacks. the thing with that pullback is that, it kind of pumped up and then pulled back. That counts against your trailing stop loss. That's one thing you see. As the market continues and we get closer to 7 a.m. here, it slows down. Okay, so try not to trade. I only try to trade the first 15, 20, 30 minutes of the market. Okay, and we're green on this trade. Looking for a pump up. Halfway there. It's 5 points, 6 points, 8 points, 7 points, 5 points, 6 points, 7 points. Go, go, go. We need one more push. It's holding. Price is holding. We should get another push. There's high 8s, almost 9. One more push, and we got it. Boom. See that? Boom. That's how you do it. Bear flags, bull flags. Okay? This is pure money in your pocket, people. This is me giving away 10 years of observations of the market, okay? And thousands of dollars spent on courses, okay? And blown accounts. Blown money. It's gone. Gone. It's okay, I'm recuperating. Recuperating my funds. Taking it back. I'm taking them all back. Goonies. All right. We're not going to beat a dead horse here, okay? Actually, this horse is not dead. This horse is still going. Pat is still in the trade. He's 2 contracts long still. Come on, Pat. Don't be greedy. You got in at a good time there, Pat. Take your money. Take your 10 points, Pat. Why are you greedy, Pat? You're gonna get in the negative here. It's gonna have a pullback, Pat. Get out of the trade, Pat. Now you set your stop loss. Come on, Pat. Pushing back up. There you go. Get out, Pat. Get out, Pat. He pulled his take profit down. Oh, Pat. Oh, Pat. Oh, Patty. Patty. Okay, good job, Patty. Get out of the account. Get out. Patty's out. Patty's out where I got out. Great minds think alike, Patty. I took Patty's course, okay? Okay, I took it. I took his course. I loved it. I loved it. I took his course. He doesn't break it down as very simple as I do. In my mind. Maybe it's just me. Because I use this indicator. This swing high, swing low. It's a free indicator. Version 2. Swing high, swing low. You count 2 bars. You draw your line. Look for the break of the bar. And you enter. Right? In the same direction that the market's been going. Right? Just you don't have to do switch time frame. Just the recent direction. I do the opening market direction because that's when the New York Stock Exchange, that's when big money starts playing. All this price action before, this is garbage. Look at that. Going nowhere, right? Once big money steps in here, we got some serious movement, right? So you hop on that train as soon as I hop on literally the first bear flag or bull flag on the 1 second time chart. Okay? And then you just ride that wave. Ride that wave. Technically, I took my long position right here. If I would have held it, if I would have just, I can't hold it because I don't have that much wiggle room. I only have $2,500 drawdown. If I would have just held it, I could have squeaked out 100 points with one contract. Is that $2,000? Is that $2,000? Let's do it. I can't think in the morning, okay, people? You break. Is that a new calculator? What the heck is this? What's new on the Apple App Store? Please don't show any personal information. What is this? Solve calculator for all. I have to download a new calculator. Can I just get my traditional calculator, please? Where's my calculator? Where's my calculator? There it is. Jeez Louise, give me that. That's how they get you to. So, one contract times 20 points per contract per point. $20 per point. $20. Oh God, $20. And then, times 100 points moved. $2,000, right? That's one account. If you had 20 counts and we held, it'd be $40,000 I could have just made. Jeez Louise. You do that just once a month times 12. $480,000 a year after tax. It's gonna be closer to 300,000. I'll still take it because that's an extra $26,000 a month. Okay. Probably be 30,000. If you do your taxes right, you're a good tax person. 30,000 times 12. Take home is 360,000. Not bad. But if you do it twice a month, you're looking at 720,000. You do it once a week, you're looking at 1.4 million take home. That's nice. Well, that's nice. Supposedly it's been done. Supposedly, we got some of these traders out here making some serious doollah. They're making some serious doollah. Medulla oblongata. All right, but that's just speculation. Real world, head out of the clouds. We got some serious drawdown. We cannot hold that position. We can't hold it that long, folks, because these drawdowns would knock you out. That's why they have the trailing stop losses, so you can't do that. And so that they supposedly create good habits. It's true. They do create good trading habits. You're not going to get moves like this every day, so stop swinging for the stars. Just get those base hits. Let's go base hit after base hit. And it builds up, adds up people. Base hits, base hits. That's what most people will say, and that's the truth, okay? If you have your own private account, you can get a runner going, okay? Get some profit, set it to break even, and just let it ride. And even if you just hit it once a year, an extra $40,000 a year, geez Louise, it'd be amazing. There's a delay. I'm seeing a delay on my end. Come on. All right. Anyways. Okay. Like, comment, subscribe. Use code TIM at apextraderfunding.com for the best, deepest discounts humanly possible. No worries, Danny boy. Life goes on. Today's a good day. I passed another evaluation if you're watching the live stream. So I got 3 funded accounts. Someone who's turned off my board? All right. We'll get tuned in. We'll get it tuned in. We'll get tuned in here. All right. Like, comment, subscribe. Use code TIM. ApexTraderFunding.com. This is not financial advice, but come and watch me trade. I'll show you what I know about these bear flag, bull flags, and the markets for free. Just use my code TIM at apextraderfunding.com. We'll call it even. All right. I got wife, kids, and a job to go to. So have a good rest of your day. God bless you. God bless America. All right. Talk to you guys later. Let's see if I can hit the stream deck in podcast to take us out of here. All right. See you guys tomorrow, 6:20 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Actually, no. Tomorrow's the weekend. Today's Friday. I'll see you Monday. Markets close on Saturday. Opens up Sunday afternoon. I haven't backtested any strategies to play the Sunday Open, so I don't play the Sunday Open. We'll do the market open Monday morning. See ya. Peace.